Good afternoon, Colin here with Techout, and today we're going to be taking a look at iOS 18 Beta 3. Just updated this, so I'm only going to be showing you guys some of the main new features and changes, and then of course in a few days I'll do my follow-up with bugs, battery life, and performance. I do have a few things to say about the bugs though, because I have experienced one right off the bat. So we'll get into that up here first. That is the home screen. Apple has added support for more third-party dark icons, or actually third-party dark icons in general here, because we didn't have any before. It was just first-party. But as you can see, some of the YouTube, Discord, stuff like that, Chrome, are working in dark mode. Not everything, as you can see here, is in dark mode yet, but they did add, they did start rolling out third-party app icons in dark mode here. One issue with that, I was going to show you guys the combination or the comparison between the two, but if I go up here to edit and hit customize, you can see nothing happens on the bottom here. I don't get any customization options to change the home screen icons whatsoever. I've tried restarting my phone, I've tried waiting a little bit, and nothing has happened. It still doesn't work. So I'm not too sure what is going on there. I know it is working for some people because I've seen people compare the light mode and the dark mode on video. So it looks like that is an intermittent issue or only affecting some devices. It does work on my iPad, so I'm not too sure why specifically it's not working on my iPhone, but I did go ahead and report that as a bug. Next thing is here in Control Center. If we turn on the flashlight, they did change the dynamic island control for it, so you can swipe up and down and you can see that animation there for the brightness, and then just like before, you can change the pattern or the I guess the pattern of the light, and it is easier to control now. It's a lot more responsive to what you want it to do, and it doesn't seem to like you go to slide to the left or right to change the width of the beam and turn it up or down. It's a lot more controllable with this new animation, in my opinion. So that works a lot better. If we hop into settings here and we go to Control Center, there is a new customized Control Center little animation here because all the customization stuff has been removed from this tab. I really don't know why we still need this here. It just has the access with an apps thing on here. I feel like they could move that to Control Center to turn that on or off instead of taking up a whole settings page for it. But they did add this up here, which shows you how to go in here and to add and edit your controls, and it's just a little animated video kind of thing there with some text right there telling you how to do that. The animations do seem a little bit more responsive, which is something a lot of people noted, that Beta 3 does seem a little bit more responsive than Beta 2, which I do agree with. Like I said, I've only been running this for a few, like 30 minutes now. I just updated when I got home, so I can't comment too much on that yet, but it does seem to be a lot more responsive than before. And the animations just seem to be a lot more fluid, less stutter. It wasn't too bad before, but like I said, just a little bit improved there. There is some other stuff throughout the system. We don't have anything regarding the new Apple Intelligence or Siri or anything like that. That's probably not coming until the end of the year for public, and then probably a little bit before that for beta testers, but a lot of people are speculating that that is going to be an iOS 18.4 update, so we probably won't be seeing that in any of the iOS 18 betas, at least anything worthwhile for the first betas here. But the main stuff is that home screen stuff. They did change up some photo stuff a little bit with how photos show the corners aren't as rounded when you're not in full screen in the Photos app and that kind of stuff. Just thumbing through here to see anything else major, but that's pretty much it. It was a 1.18 gigabyte update for my iPhone 15 Pro Max, and I think 1.43 gigabytes for my iPad Pro M4. One other thing here, if we hop into wallpapers, they do have some new wallpapers. So this is new right here. I don't know why that is showing up blue because it doesn't show up blue on my home screen, but this is new. This was a beta 2 edition right here. This new kind of rainbow color, which is pretty cool. I like that. But if you go to the wallpaper, I'll just have to create a new one real quick. We do now have dynamic iOS 18 wallpapers. So you can set that to dynamic, and it will change the color as well as between light and dark mode throughout the day. So if you want your wallpaper to kind of be changing throughout the day, you do have that option now as well. So that's just some of the new stuff here in iOS 18 Beta 3 and some of the issues that I've noticed right off the bat. I'm Colin with Techout. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. And as always, have a great day.